So I checked out the Cozy's electric heated blanket after seeing it all over ads, and here's the honest truth about whether it's worth your money. The product page promotes that the Cozy's electric heated blanket as an ultra soft heated blanket with multi-level heat control, auto shut off safety features, and cozy comfort for winter nights. What I found during the testing, I saw two very different narratives about this product. On the official page, it looks like a typical blanket with heat zones and auto shut off with thousands of positive reviews. But independent testing and customer accounts tell a different story. One recent reviewer says the blanket they received had no heating elements, no controller, no power cord, and no promised feature at all. Basically just a plain fleece blanket. That reviewer also found the claim at 17,000 more reviews suspicious given the domain's recent registration and pattern that looks possibly fabricated. On paper, the idea of a heated blanket with multiple levels is good for winter comfort. If legitimate, features like auto shut-off can improve safety over old-style electric blankets. The problem is, independent tester did not receive a heated device at all. Thousands of reviews on the seller page may not be genuine. Very low trust scores and suspect site legitimacy. No reliable reports from recognized reviewer sites or consumer safety groups. Basic heated blanket concept is valid, but the problems or cons may not include real heating elements, suspicious reviews, and trust issues. Customer support may be unresponsive. I would not recommend the Cozy's electric heated blanket unless you can verify the actual product before buying, because what arrives might not match the ads. It's far safer to choose a well-known brand with verified reviews. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.